How to make Telegram account with Gmail. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can make Telegram account with Gmail, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to make Telegram account with Gmail, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Telegram application here, and when you tap the start messaging option, you can see right off the bat it's going to ask me to enter my phone number here, and there is no such option where I can use to actually use my Gmail address, which means that you can't really create Telegram account with Gmail and without phone number. You need a phone number. Now if you don't have a real phone number, you can make use of a virtual phone number. There are many free virtual websites out there that will help you to get the free phone numbers if you'd like, but with Gmail you can't really create an account, and that's simply it. Because if Telegram allows with Gmail, then lots of bots are going to come into their platform, which is going to make it very harder and make the platform so spammy. That is why they allow the phone number verification only. So I hope this video helped to clear your doubts. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.